Welcome to Bestusefultips. In this video, I will show you how to enable notification cooldown on your Google Pixel 10, 10 Pro, 10 Pro XL and any other latest Pixel device running the Android 16 version. This notification cooldown feature is helpful if you are a personal meeting or your important work and suddenly you receive the multiple notification at the same time. When you use this feature, it will automatically silence the notification when you receive the multiple notification at the same time on your device. So make sure enable this feature to use on your device. So open the app drawer on your device, tap the settings app. Here you can search for the notification cooldown or scroll down up to the notification to tap on the notifications. Now again scroll down until you can see the notification cooldown option in the general section. To tap on the notification cooldown. Here you can see the toggle button. Make sure toggle on use notification cooldown option. Now here you can see when you receive many notifications within a short time, your device will lower its volume and minimize the alerts for a 1 minute. Calls, alarm and priority conversation are not affected. So notification received during the cooldown can be found by pulling down from the top of the screen. So very helpful feature when you in personal meeting or any important works, that will helpful feature. So make sure enable or turn on the notification cooldown feature on your Pixel 10, 10 Pro, 10 Pro XL and any other latest Android 16 version. That's it. If you like it, share it. Thank you for watching this.